It's time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Happy New Year, Dennis.
Happy New Year to you, Joe.
You've been looking at the Grace Smith House site again, I see.
Yes, as I typically do. Like I've said, I just love I love their Facebook page and I love their posts, and I'm constantly sharing anything that I see there that would be of interest to my clients or prospective clients. And again, as you know, as you can expect, a lot of them center around domestic violence. But I think, there are parallels there because around the holidays, as I've always said, we see an uptick of people filing for divorce or consulting about divorce. And, there are many different reasons why that is. But I also think at that time, you get a lot of people who are just on the fence. They just, don't know. I mean, it's one of the biggest decisions you could make in your life, as you would imagine.
Sure.
And as we said statistically before, you remember, it's one of the most stressful things people can go through in their life as well. So, but I think one of the main motivators, or one of the things that should be a motivator to pursue divorce, is if you're in a domestically violent relationship. But how do you know you are?
How do you know you are?
Yeah. I mean, look, you ask you or me, if you're showing up to the police station or showing up to work the next day with a black eye, yeah, of course, we've heard of those situations. We've seen those things on the news. But, it's not that straightforward and it's not that simple, at least how it starts. So what I'd like to share are just some of the points of another pinwheel from Grace Smith House's Facebook page that gives you bases or gives you things you can look for to let you know if you're, one, an abuser, or two, a victim of domestic violence, of course.
All right, this is something we're going to have to pursue at great length. I think this will take a couple of shows to get through this.
Absolutely.
In the meantime, please, to find out more about Dennis and his firm, visit his website.
Yes, drvetranolaw.com. And I would encourage people to check out the Facebook page and the Instagram as well. And listen, you can even check out my personal Facebook page, Dennis R. Vetrano. It's out there, and there's a lot of interesting tidbits about finances and divorce and life and, all of those sorts of useful things.
Dennis, good to see you.
Good to see you, Joe.